Hello friends, in this lecture we will see a radial drive method in parabol contour. So in 3 axis we have already seen, so this time we will work for multi-axis and this is my geometry. So first of all define this geometry. This is the part and my blank is zero point 0.2 offset from the part. Okay, now tool, I'm using a ball mill tool. Change the values as per the requirement. Okay, I click here and I'm going to select this variable contour, and in drive I will change from surface to radial cut. Okay, and here define drive geometry, and my drive geometry is this is temporary boundary, zigzag is my cut, step over is 1, and bend is 10 on material side, and opposite side it is 5. Okay, and I will show you preview, it is not showing you. Now select area to cut. I want to cut this area, so select it, and my vector is normal drive. Generate, it is not generating, so go to this, and my projection vector is specify vector, and this is my vector. Generate it again and see it is coming here only. So go to this radial cut, and from drive geometry my plane is automatic and I want to define my plane. So this time my plane is at 43, means above the selected surface. Okay, now boundary is here, and follow periphery, and let's see. Okay, 5 outside, so 0, and see inside 35. See, okay, if it is, now I want to use this, so it is going to be create like this. Okay, and generate, and let's see the preview. It is working in multi-axis. Stop, and in 3D dynamic. Okay, okay, and okay, just click, and I can trace the line, tool line. See, this tool axis is not in Z direction only, it is in multi direction.